Come here, can I have a kiss? Can the mummy have a kiss? Come here, what's up, baby? No, 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 good boy. You know not to do that, it's not very good. Turn around. What are you doing? Me and my mama, on here. Say hello. Say hello, Baba. Oh, you're gorgeous, aren't you? You're a beautiful Baba, aren't you? You are. Say hello to people. This is my beautiful Senegal, who's 1.5 or 1, I can't remember now. But I don't know if it's he or a she yet. But it's absolutely gorgeous. He's hand-reared and he's my little baby, and he loves to be stroked and kisses, don't you? See? Kissing me. He loves his mummy. Oh. There you go. See? He loves it. Mummy loves you. Mummy loves you, don't you? Ooh, you're turning round to me now, are you? Ooh, it's a baby. You know what? He just wants to kiss all the time. No. You see the parrot in the background? He's my baby too. Nah. There's a baby. There's a baba. Yeah. I'm thinking of calling him Jordan because it's a unisex name and I like Jordan the name. Not because of people have handwritten, I just like Jordan the name because it's a nice name. Mummy loves you, baby. Yep, she does. You know what I mean? Don't hurt. There you go. Do the mouth. Good boy. You know what? He'd have me kissing me all day. And the parrot at the back gets very jealous. He'll start squawking in a bit. What are you doing? Thank you. No. There you are. I'm not allowed to do that. Mummy says no, don't you? Say hello. Hello, people. Come here. Let me stroke you. There you are. He's beautiful. He absolutely loves everybody. He's so gorgeous and so friendly. Aren't you? Oh, was she saying hello? Say hello, peekaboo. Hello, peekaboo. Can you see? You're saying hello to everybody, aren't you? Say hello. Yeah, there you are. You're making a little noise to you. Do you want to come on this hand? My hand's going dead, baby. Oh. Do you want to turn around? Yeah, good. That's a good baba. You turned around, didn't you? You turned around, you're very clever. Mummy said turn around and you turned around for me. Yes, clever booger, aren't you? Do you want to come on this arm? Yeah then. Do you want this one? Come on then, hop on. Hop on. Hop on. Good baby, that's a really good baby. You come back on. That's a really good. Jordan, isn't it? Jordan. I like name Jordan. It's a beautiful name, isn't it? I want to give you a nice name because you're cute. And we love you. This is I absolutely love him to bits, as you can tell. He does as he's told. I told him to swap hands. He did what I said, didn't you? Say hello everybody. Innit? Hello everybody from the UK here. Pleased to meet you. Come and join my YouTube thing and you can comment on the video. We love you. Don't we? Oh, you're cute. I hope everybody's enjoying the video. If there's anything anyone wants to know, you can say and I'll answer your questions. I'm hoping to do more videos, but this is my first video I'm doing of my Senegal parrot. It's a Senegal parrot, I've also got a parrot in the background who's an African grey. Oh, don't bite it. Goodbye. Keep saying goodbye, sorry. Because I don't know if it's girl or boy, it's a habit. Oh, you baba. There you are. Peekaboo. This one doesn't talk quite yet, but we're hoping for him to talk, aren't we? We're hoping for you to talk, aren't we, baba? I hope everyone's having a good time and enjoying YouTube. You can all tell me about it. I don't know nothing about this YouTube. He's playing with my top at the moment. He wants to play, don't ya? There you are, that's better, isn't it? You want to play, don't ya? Say hello everybody. Whoa, yeah. There you are. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing on my top? You look funny. You having a play with me hair? As long as you don't hurt me, do you? Oh, look, he's playing. He wants to play. He's up on my arm now. You see? Hey, yes, you're gorgeous, aren't you? Say hello. He absolutely loves playing with my hair at the moment. He makes me laugh. He thinks it's like string, but it don't hurt. It's very gentle. But I absolutely love him. It don't matter as long as it don't hurt me. But he's absolutely gorgeous. Everybody falls in love with this bird. He really does. Anyhow, he's just playful and likes to kisses. He likes to cuddles. He likes to be loved. He just likes lots of attention, but it does not hurt nobody. I hope everybody's enjoying themselves and hope to see other people's videos and whatever. I'll hope to hear from you all soon on this video or whatever you'd like to do. I've also got another video on the African grey. Okay, from me and my Senegal. Bye for now. Bye. Innit? Yeah, bye bye. Saying bye.